So I just got this idea. I've done it before, but it's been a long time. I tricked my dogs into thinking that there's an actual dog if I play dog sound effects. And I took a video of them a long time ago barking and growling because they thought somebody was here to hurt us or something. But I don't know if they'll believe it. Or there was another sound effect I played one time where I did like a squeaky toy sound effect, like when you squeak a toy, like a dog toy, and they think it's there. Like, it's cute. Just watch it. I don't know if it'll work or if they fall for this anymore, but just like. Here. Okay, it doesn't really seem to be like bothering them, so I'm gonna do the squeaky toy one. Hey, Yogi Remy! Yogi Remy! Yogi Remy! Yogi Remy! They're not falling for any of it! I swear they used to fall for these sounds like back in the day. I don't know. I guess they're just smart enough not to like fall for that crap I'm doing to them anymore. They're not even listening. They don't fall for it. Oh my god. Well, this video just failed, but I'm still posting it.